The following is a step-by-step video instruction guide to properly and safely use your new Vaporlux Triple Play. Although this video demonstrates proper use and care, it is not a substitute for your Triple Play user manual included with your machine. All Vaporlux machines come with some basic tools and attachments for use, such as a squeegee tool, a wide area floor and wall tool, a triangle tool, a hand detailing tool with optional tips, a 10-foot hose, elbow connectors, and a printed user's manual. Additional attachments and tools for your machine are also available through your local Vaporlux distributor or factory representative. The Triple Play is easily unboxed and is ready to go. Save your Vaporlux box and packaging in case your unit needs to be serviced in the future. The Triple Play has two reserve tanks, one which feeds water to make vapor and one which holds additives to assist in the cleaning process. Both tanks are filled ahead of time and feed the Triple Play in a continuous feed process. The Triple Play will run on a standard 120-volt grounded outlet. However, it is ideal to plug into outlets on a dedicated circuit, preferably 20 amp if possible. Make sure to check circuits and breakers before use. There are two switches on the Triple Play, a main control switch and a heating resistance switch. Turn on both switches at the same time. While filling the machine, the red warning light will blink for about 1 minute at short intervals while water goes into the machine. After about 1 minute, the electronic protection device will activate to stop the filling process, and the red warning light will remain on. Deactivate the main control switch, wait 30 seconds, and then turn back on. In order to complete the filling process, it may be necessary to repeat the operation a couple of times. When the red warning light stops blinking, boiler filling is complete. Open the door on the front of the machine and insert the hose into the machine and close the door to lock. To remove the hose, simply push on the release tab and pull out. When the pressure gauge on the machine reads about 72 psi, about 20 to 25 minutes, the amber indicator light on the machine will illuminate, and the Triple Play is now ready for use. Before getting started, it is important to purge the hose of liquid. With your hands out of the way, aim the hose at a cloth or rag. Turn the steam volume dial all the way up and squeeze the trigger until all the water is released and only vapor comes out of the hose end. The vapor control knob allows you to control the amount of vapor coming out of the hose. Wait for the amber indicator light to illuminate once again. Start with the dial turned up slightly to a low setting. It is important to note that using a high setting on the vapor control knob will drastically decrease the amount of machine runtime and will use too much water in the process, reducing how effective your machine will perform. There are many optional tools that can be used with your Vaporlux machine. The tools provided can all be used in conjunction with one another through interlocking extension wands and hand tools. The extension wands can be used individually or can be locked together for use of the various wall and floor attachments. Simply insert, turn and lock, and they are ready for use. The 10-inch wall and floor tool is ideal for cleaning walls and floors, as well as mattresses and upholstery. The brushes help in loosening dirt, and the tool also has clips to hold a microfiber cloth for mopping many different surfaces. The triangular brush attachment is used for mattresses and upholstery or for corners and tough-to-reach areas on floors and walls. It also has clips to attach a microfiber cloth. The 10-inch squeegee attachment is another great tool to help clean smooth surfaces like glass, walls, mirrors, restroom partitions, and more. The hand tool provided has several screw-on attachments which are used for specific applications and surface types. Use the small nylon head for fabrics or soft surfaces like Formica countertops or any surface susceptible to scratching. The nylon brushes are gentle and will not scratch. The nylon head is also ideal for the removal of chewing gum from floors or carpet, as well as grouted tile. The brass head attachment is used for dirt, grime, and grease that discolor and fill grout lines, causing odor in kitchens and restrooms. A simple back and forth motion over the grout lines and soil or grease is quickly removed. Use the stainless steel head for stainless surfaces that have stubborn dirt buildup like friolators, stovetops, and range hoods. It can also be especially effective in cleaning any moving metal parts in food processing, where parts are covered with sticky residue. The 2-inch circular nylon detail brush is used to clean cove base in restrooms and other areas where buildup of dirt and detergent has accumulated on the surface over time. The water reserve tank has a minimum mark line showing when it is getting close to empty. Make sure to shut off both switches. The tank can be refilled while still in place or easily removed and filled remotely. When you are finished using your machine, shut off both switches, wrap up the power cord and hose, and the machine is ready for storage. If you are planning to store the unit for an extended period of time, it is recommended to drain all water from the unit. With the power switch off and the steam switch still turned on, turn the steam dial all the way up. With the wand removed so the hose is open-ended, squeeze the trigger to release all pressure until the gauge reaches 0. The triple play has a drain plug located on the bottom of the machine. Turn the release plug to release excess water from the tank, then tighten it back up. The triple play can now be stored. In some cases, the repeated use of standard tap water can lead to mineral deposits that can build up in the machine. To descale your machine, make sure the water is drained from the machine using the drain plug on the bottom of the unit. Tighten back up finger tight. According to the manufacturer's instructions, pour a commercial descaler into the water reserve tank. After repriming, shut off and let the machine sit for 24 hours. Never use vinegar or CLR for descaling. After 24 hours, remove the bottom drain plug and drain the machine. Refill the reserve tank with fresh water and then reprime the machine. Shake the machine around to catch any chemical residue still remaining and then drain once again. Descaling is complete. For questions or concerns regarding the safe and proper use of any Vaporlux product, please refer to your instruction manual or visit our website at vaporlux.com.